Yeah, welcome to our webinar. My name is Philipp Schwab and I work as a technical marketing manager directly here in Frankfurt am Main, Germany, and I will welcome you to our webinar 2D Plus in ATHENA in our current version ATHENA 2024, and I will show you how you can work more efficiently and confidently with our 2D Plus technology. And then we will start in the webinar, and yes, I will show you this webinar. So we have the example entrance door, and we will assign sheet metal cladding 2D plus ATHENA objects here around our entrance door. And you can see we have here the joint structure, and we will use the ATHENA 2D Plus projection to assign a sheet metal cladding here to the left side. And we mirror that. It's easy. Use the AutoCAD command, mirror that from the left side to the right side. And then we have a special ATHENA command, a function, copy and rotate, and we will copy our sheet metal cladding from the left side to the upper side. And then, of course, we do a cutting, cut this together, a mitered cut, mutual. So we will cut or join two objects together in this case, and then we will stretch here the upper sheet metal 2D Plus ATHENA object here to the right side, and also cutting this object together, mitered, mutual, okay, and you can see, so it's easy to join all the objects together. So of course we have the drilled holes, so it's also easy to project the drilled holes to our object. We will do a ATHENA processing. So, and then we have the right positioning, 3 millimeters, and we do arrangement, and we name the arrangement, the label drilled hole, 5 millimeters front side. And for example, 100 millimeters start and end distance. And number of elements are 6 millimeters equal. Okay, you can see, so you can do this easy. So we have here the drilled holes easily assigned. So now the drilled holes from the inner side, okay. So it's drilled holes, drilled hole inside 5 millimeters, okay. Okay, and also segments are equal. Perfect. So then we want to transfer the drilled holes to the other ATHENA 2D Plus objects. So it's a few clicks. You can see how easy it is to transfer bar processings from one object to the other objects. Okay, then the next step is to construct the inner side of the sheet metal construction of the entrance door. So it's easy. So it's the so we we repeat the last step. So the left side mirror the left side to the right side, and then ATHENA copy and rotate the object to the upper side. Okay, then we will do a cutting. The upper side mid-height mutual to the left side, and we will stretch this object to the right side and do also a cutting. Mid-height mutual, repeat that, and then with a few clicks you have also the cutting of the inner side of our sheet metal construction. So now we will import that in our ATHENA project browser. You can see this is also easy. This gives you a benefit. You can see a preview, also informations, the length, and now we will create a bill of material with one click. So it's one click as bill of material, and we will assign this here in our drawing. You have all informations, the quantity, the part number, the item number, the labeling of our sheet metal objects, the material, and also the section schematic. So, and now the next step is the bar diagram. So a single part drawing. So this is also possible with ATHENA 2D Plus. You can create directly with one click a single part drawing. You can see here the labeling, the dimensions, here with one click. All the informations. And now we will create directly with also one click, with a few clicks, a 3D model of our entrance door sheet metal construction. We change the view, and you can see with one click you have a 3D model of our entrance door sheet metal cladding with all the drilled holes, and we can use this directly to manufacturing the sheet metal profiles. So we have here our job number, and then we have a new partial job. For this example, 310, and then sheet metal 3D, and then we want to create manufacturing files directly here in our ATHENA project browser. So you see how easy it is. So it's possible EluCAD, Enomatex files. We have here SAT files and also step files. Then we are at the end of the webinar. I will present you our CAD-PLAN e-learning platform. Why e-learning? You have the benefit of flexible, self-paced learning, customizable learning plan to suit your needs, high quality content from experts directly here from Frankfurt am Main, Germany, and official certificates for professional development. I will show you this. Let me show you this. Here you have our CAD-PLAN e-learning platform. yeah, you can log in here, also in the English language, and you have here this what we made yeah, at the example Athena 2D Plus in English language, and yeah, we can start a video. For example, here, yeah, this video. I will show you this video, and then you can see how to use our e-learning platform for free.
By default, we should have available.
Yeah. Okay. So this is our e-learning platform, and then yeah, you can scan the QR code here on the left side, questions to me, so Philipp Schwab, or webinar at CAD-PLAN.com. You can scan the QR code, and then we are at the end of the webinar, and I wish you a good day, and we will see us at the next webinars. Thank you, and bye-bye.